Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best JB WaterWeld is probably one of the most versatile and reliable epoxy putties on the market, capable of forming a strong bond on a wide variety of surfaces, including wet ones, making it an indispensable tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional plumber facing unexpected leaks or repairs. Its unique formulation allows it to cure underwater and in damp conditions, providing a permanent solution for fixing pipes, tanks, and other water-damaged items without the need for draining or shutting off water flow, which can be a significant time and effort saver in emergency situations. Number 5. JB Weld 31310 All-Purpose RTV Silicone Sealant. Introducing the JB Weld 31310 All-Purpose RTV Silicone Sealant and Adhesive. This versatile product is designed for a wide range of uses. It's a general-purpose sealant and adhesive that works effectively in various applications. Its clear formula ensures a clean finish. Utilizing RTV, room temperature vulcanized, silicone technology, it cures at room temperature. This makes it convenient for immediate use. This sealant is perfect for both household repairs and mechanical assembly tasks. It provides a reliable and durable bond. Achieve professional results with this easy-to-use sealant. It's the ideal solution for sealing and bonding needs. What we like. This product offers a clear, RTV silicone formula for versatile household and mechanical applications. If you need a sealant that dries clear and works on a variety of common repairs, this is a great choice. It's ideal for sealing gaps and joints where aesthetics matter or for general-purpose bonding tasks. What people say. It is a good product. It works well. It is a useful product. Number 4. JB Weld SteelStik Epoxy Putty Stick. Meet the revolutionary SteelStik from JB Weld. It's a hand-mixable, steel-reinforced epoxy putty stick designed for quick metal repairs. This non-rusting formula can rebuild and repair anything made of metal. It's even certified safe for contact with potable water. After just 5 minutes of kneading, it sets quickly and fully cures in 1 hour. The final color is a sleek dark gray. Experience impressive strength with 900 psi lap shear strength. It withstands high temperatures and resists various chemicals when fully cured. You can easily mold, shape, sand, drill, and tap it to fit your exact needs. Its versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of projects. It adheres effectively to iron, stainless steel, copper, brass, aluminum, bronze, fiberglass, plastic, and PVC. What we like. This is a steel-reinforced epoxy putty stick designed for quick metal repairs. It's certified safe for potable water, making it unique for plumbing or water-related metal fixes. If you're dealing with leaks or breaks in metal pipes, tanks, or fixtures that come into contact with drinking water, this is the product you need. What people say. It is a great product that works very well. This product is a good value for the money and works as expected. Number 3. JB Weld ExtremeHeat High Temperature Metallic Paste. Introducing a revolutionary metallic paste designed for high-temperature repairs. It's formulated to withstand extreme environments, making it ideal for iron, steel, and metal applications up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. Developed as an alternative to traditional welding, this product creates a permanent bond stronger than steel once cured. It's designed to be effective even in the most challenging conditions. This compound is incredibly easy to use. Once fully cured, it can be drilled, machined, or sanded, making it perfect for repairing cracks, gaps, or holes. It's the ideal solution for a wide range of repairs, including exhaust manifolds, pipe connections, mufflers, and catalytic converters. You can rely on its performance for various applications like outdoor grills, fire boxes, furnaces, and water heaters. It's non-flammable and contains no harmful solvents. What we like. This metallic paste is formulated to withstand extreme temperatures up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for high-heat metal repairs. It creates a permanent bond that can be machined after curing. If you're repairing exhaust systems, mufflers, furnaces, or other components exposed to intense heat, this is your go-to solution. What people say. This product is a lifesaver for fixing pipes. It worked perfectly on a leaky radiator. JB WaterWeld is excellent for repairing cracks in tanks. Number 2. JB Weld 50172 MarineWeld Syringe. Discover the specially formulated two-part adhesive and sealant from JB Weld. It's designed to create a strong yet flexible bond for all your marine needs. This powerful formula is completely waterproof, ensuring performance even in harsh conditions. It also offers excellent resistance to chemicals and UV rays. Our innovative syringe design makes application a breeze. You get a perfect 1-to-1 mix ratio every time, simplifying your repair process. Experience a bond that is both incredibly strong and remarkably flexible. It holds tight without cracking or breaking under stress. Whether for repairs or new projects, this adhesive is your reliable solution. Trust it to perform where others fail. What we like. This is a specially formulated two-part adhesive and sealant for marine environments. It provides a strong, flexible bond that is waterproof, chemical, and UV resistant. If you're working on boats, docks, or any project exposed to harsh marine conditions, this offers the durability and protection you require. What people say. This product is a lifesaver for fixing leaks in pipes. It works great on various materials like plastic, metal, and even ceramic. The putty is easy to mix and apply, and it hardens quickly to form a strong bond. Number 1. JB WaterWeld Marine Epoxy, 2 ounces. Discover the power of JB Weld's MarineWeld Epoxy. It's designed for superior performance in marine environments. This two-part epoxy is incredibly strong and durable. It's perfect for repairs and bonding applications on boats and other marine equipment. It offers excellent waterproof and chemical resistance. You can rely on it to withstand harsh conditions. The convenient 2 ounces size makes it easy to handle and mix. Get professional results with minimal effort. Choose JB Weld MarineWeld for all your marine repair needs. It provides a reliable and long-lasting bond. What we like. This marine epoxy provides a strong and flexible bond that is waterproof and chemical resistant, specifically designed for marine applications. It comes in a convenient syringe for easy mixing. If you need a reliable adhesive for repairs on boats or other watercraft that require flexibility and resistance to the elements, this is an excellent option. What people say. This product is a lifesaver for fixing pipes. It worked perfectly on a leaky pipe under the sink. I used it to repair a cracked plastic tank, and it held up great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.